Check out this 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: remote keyless entry system, side mirror ground illumination signals, latch child safety seat anchor system, rain sense intermittent windshield wipers, power 4-wheel disc anti-lock brakes, 7-speaker Bose audio system, dual-zone automatic climate control system, and power programmable door locks. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.